A garbage disposal makes kitchen cleanup faster and keeps food waste out of your bin. But motor power, noise level, and grinding stages vary widely between models. Here are 5 of the best options available right now. 1. InSinkErator Evolution, 0.75 horsepower. The InSinkErator Evolution 0.75 horsepower delivers the best balance of grinding performance, quiet operation, and long-term reliability for most households. The 3-stage multi-grind system processes food scraps in 3 separate grinding stages before they enter the drain. Each stage reduces particle size further, which means what exits the disposal is fine enough to pass through standard drain pipes without building up over time. This directly reduces the frequency of clogs compared to single-stage disposals. But SoundSeal technology combines 2 key noise reduction elements, an anti-vibration mount and a sound baffle inside the grinding chamber. In a kitchen where the disposal runs daily, the difference in noise level between a sealed unit and a standard disposal is noticeable from the next room. The Easy Connect design requires no additional wiring for most standard kitchen setups. InSinkErator backs this unit with an 8-year limited warranty that includes in-home service, meaning a technician comes to you rather than requiring you to remove and ship the unit. For a family home with regular daily use, this is the most dependable all-round choice currently available. 2. InSinkErator Evolution 1 horsepower. The InSinkErator Evolution 1 horsepower is built for larger households or kitchens where food waste volume is consistently high and motor strain is a genuine concern. The step up from 3-stage to 4-stage multi-grind is the practical difference between this and the 0.75 horsepower model. The additional grinding stage means the disposal handles tougher food scraps, small chicken bones, celery stalks, corn husks, and citrus rinds, without the motor laboring or stalling. For a household cooking from scratch daily, that extra capacity matters. At 1 horsepower, this is the highest motor rating available in a residential disposal. Higher horsepower means the motor maintains consistent speed under load rather than slowing when it encounters resistance. A motor that slows under load is more likely to jam, so sustained RPM under pressure translates directly to fewer interruptions during use. InSinkErator's quietest sound seal rating means this is the most noise-insulated unit in the InSinkErator lineup. It carries the same 8-year in-home service warranty as the 0.75 horsepower model. If you have a large household, cook frequently, or have experienced disposal jams with previous units, this is the practical upgrade. 3. Moen GXB75C. The Moen GXB75C is the right choice for any household where preventing accidental contact with a running disposal is a priority. Batch feed operation is the key distinction here. Unlike continuous feed disposals that run whenever the switch is on, a batch feed unit only activates when the drain stopper is physically locked into place over the opening. The grinding cannot start until the cover is secured. This means utensils, small items, and hands cannot enter the disposal while it is operating. For households with young children, this design removes a category of risk that continuous feed disposals cannot fully address through caution alone. The SoundShield insulation package reduces operational noise to a level comparable to the InSinkErator SoundSeal system. The pre-installed power cord means no electrical work is required for most standard undersink installations. Moen's Universal Express mount fits the standard 3-bolt mounting assembly used by InSinkErator and most other brands, so this is a straightforward replacement in most kitchens. The unit is backed by Moen's 10-year limited warranty with in-home service, the longest coverage period in this group. If child safety or general accident prevention is your primary concern, this is the most practical solution. 4. Waste King Legend L8000 1 horsepower. The Waste King L8000 delivers 1 horsepower of grinding power with a permanent magnet motor and a 20-year limited warranty at a price that sits well below the InSinkErator 1 horsepower model. The permanent magnet motor spins at 2,800 revolutions per minute, faster than the induction motors used in most competing disposals at this price point. Higher revolutions per minute means food scraps are thrown against the grind ring more rapidly, reducing the time the motor spends under load on any single piece of waste. The practical result is fewer jams and faster processing of a full sink of scraps. The stainless steel swivel impellers resist corrosion more effectively than fixed steel components, which is relevant given that the disposal operates in a constantly wet environment. The glass-filled nylon grind chamber is lighter than cast iron alternatives without sacrificing durability. The pre-installed power cord is a practical advantage for DIY installation, plugged directly into the undersink outlet without any electrical wiring. The Easy Mount Twist and Lock system replaces the standard 3-bolt assembly in most sinks. For homeowners who want 1 horsepower performance without paying the premium brand price and who want the longest warranty coverage in the category, the L8000 is the most straightforward value decision. 5. InSinkErator Badger 5.5 horsepower. The InSinkErator Badger 5 is the most widely installed residential disposal in the United States, and for households of up to 4 people with standard daily food waste, it handles the job reliably. At 1/2 horsepower, the motor is adequate for everyday kitchen scraps, vegetable peelings, soft food waste, small amounts of cooked meat, and similar standard waste. It is not designed for tough scraps like bones or fibrous stalks, and attempting those regularly will shorten the motor's lifespan. Within its intended range, it performs consistently. The quick lock sink mount is directly compatible with all existing InSinkErator mounting hardware already installed in millions of US kitchens. If you are replacing an existing InSinkErator unit, the Badger 5 drops into the same mount in minutes without any additional hardware. The factory installed power cord removes the need for electrical work. The compact design fits under most standard kitchen sinks without clearance issues. And if you're replacing a basic disposal in a small to mid-size household and want a trusted brand at a budget price with straightforward installation, the Badger 5 covers those needs without unnecessary expense.